Hello everyone, I'm Michael, the maker of Extension Fast, and I wanted to quickly run through the code base with you in about 2 minutes. So right here, you can see we have our actual repository, and if you scroll down, we'll have our little intro, and we have our actual docs here as well. We'll click this, and what you can actually do is get started with the code base. So with either Firebase or Supabase, you can run through these quick little steps, you see how short it is, and you can get everything up and running. And then once you're done with that, you can go to the actual mini tutorial. So ship in 5 minutes. What we're going to do is go to here. We're going to go to the pop-up demo page. So I have it right here, and it's super simple. Once you set everything up, this is what it will look like. And once you go over here, this is where all the code lives. We go to our source, we have our assets, we have our auth, we have our components, but we also have our pages where we want to go, and then we have our pop-up demo. So with this, we want to quickly start the dev server. So npm run dev, and then that is going to start this locally. And then we'll come back to the pop-up demo in a second. Just let me show you what it looks like. So if we pin this here and then we open it, we'll see that this is the pop-up demo that we were just looking at in code. So we can increment, we can reset, we can increment again. And what we actually want to do is make a few changes on this. So if we drag this over here and then we open up again, what we want to do, let's say if we wanted to decrement the count instead of incrementing, we can decrement and then we can say -1 right here. And you can see on the right-hand side, we have decrement instead of increment, and it's actually decrementing the count, which is pretty cool. And then if we also want to say pop-up demo with extension fast, we can do that. So it has fast reload, everything works. This is basically just a quick example, but you'd put all of your logic, if you wanted to, inside of this pop-up or anything else, for example. So with that, that's how it would look. That's just a quick example. And we can go back. And another thing about this is that once you're done with just the basic setup, you can actually add in your own features as well. So we have authentication, we have our database, we have our payment, and then we have our styling as well, and just showing you how it works. And you can add any of these inside of here, Firebase or Supabase. So yeah, that's everything, and that's how it works. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you get a lot of value from Extension Fast. Thank you.